friends, welcome to Max Pro Tips tutorial how to allow apps from unknown source on Android. I will show you step by step guide to do this. If you find this tutorial helpful then please consider liking this video and subscribing my YouTube channel. So without any delay let's start. First of all open the mobile setting. Tap on setting and here find security and privacy. Scroll down and find security and privacy. I find here additional setting and here is the security and privacy option. So tap on this security and privacy option and here the option is unknown source app installation. So toggle this button to allow installation of apps from unknown sources. Here you read instruction and simply tap on allow. In this way you install unknown source apps in your mobile. This is the video for today. I hope this video is helpful for you. Like this video and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you very much. See you soon in the next video.